as you can see, I am rocking my Diana Ross Pro. My dryer went out on me, so I didn't get a chance to blow dry my hair. But this is how it air dried. I'm getting a sew-in. I haven't had a sew-in in about 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. So this will be my first sew-in in 3 years. So we'll see how well I manage it. And I am going to be installing, or my beautician is going to be installing a brand called Pink Lemon Hair. And I heard nothing but good reviews about this hair. It's a beauty supply brand, so I will do a further review after it's installed. Alright, so I just got my install done. It's cute. Y'all see it flowing? I think this was the Pink Lemon hair. If I'm wrong, I'll put the correct name here. But y'all see this here? It's real cute, and it's from the Beauty Supply. And it is like a jet black color. And it looks cute. It's flowing. It's not too thin, not too thick. I will probably give like a maybe let's do a week review. I'll do a week review or a week update, and we can go from there. I paid a total, I want to say a total of $257 for this hair, including 3 bundles and a closure. Unfortunately, my local beauty supply store did not have it in the bundle pack, which I've seen most ladies had on YouTube, but that's alright. We're gonna see. But so far, I am loving it. I got it sewn in, which I haven't had a sewn in about 2.5 years maybe. So I'm loving it. Alright, so I'll keep y'all posted on the 1 week update. Bye.